call. He's hit it in the air. Fila trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backlift and watch the follow through at the moment of impact. There you go. That'll do. I'm not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective. He almost swung himself off his feet. Tries it again. Surely be one. There is only one.
All the wrist and that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power and the whip of the wrists in this shot. This is magnificent. Have a look at this. The recoil. It could have been a little fuller, but it was pretty full. The targeting of the boundary. Have you seen a shot like that? It's like a coiled spring.
And by that, I don't mean Dhoni hits it out the park. Let's see how he goes. Oh, there you go. There you go. He's done it. What a match. Dhoni, you beauty. The finisher. How many times he's done it? 23 of the last over. I know that feeling. Super brilliant from MS Dhoni.
But he wanted to finish in style, and boy did he. He's certainly still got it, MS Dhoni.
That was worth coming. Watch it every day of the week. Oh, brilliant.
Unbelievable. Outstanding shot.
Down ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real whippage.
Typical Dhoni shot. Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPC, and he's cleared it quite.